I think before I bite it, it's crunchy, but after I bite it, it's soft. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are from Biologi 2017. We are student at UIN Sunan Kalijaga. I'm Dimas.
I'm Ngalim.
I'm Ima.
And I'm Farida. Today we're gonna make a short review about some snack in Indonesia, such Nectar, Chocolatos, Sempol, and Batagor. They are can find in every canteen, in supermarket, or many others.
Let's enjoy the video, guys.
I'm Farida. In this video, I'm gonna make a short review about one of popular snack, Sempol. Why I'm make review about Sempol? Because Sempol is one of my favorite snack this recently. Okay. From the shape, maybe a irregular shape. Don't know. Like long or short tube. I don't actually, but I don't bother the shape, but I like the taste. Okay. Sempol it's made from chicken and tapioca flour, and then covered by eggs, and it fried on in a okay. When we eat sempol, we eat more delicious when we add some chili sauce on it, so it can make the taste more flavory and crunchy. Okay. The price of sempol is very cheap. It's only takes 1,000 rupiahs every piece, and if you buy 5,000 rupiahs, you can get 6 pieces of sempol. Very cheap, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna try how it tastes, the sempol. It's put some chili sauce on it, so to make it more delicious. Sorry. It's very sticky, but very nice. It is for snack. It's not for main course. Okay, just eat snack. It's very cheap and very delicious. You can buy it sempol in every canteen, maybe, or some groceries, or in restaurant. Completion of the review of sempol. In my opinion, I think it's very nice snack. You must try it because it's very delicious, and it's very cheap because it's only 1,000 rupiahs every piece. And if you buy 5,000 rupiahs, you get 6 pieces, and you will get quite full when you eat 6 of sempol. Okay, I think that's all from my review. Thank you.
I'm Ima, and I'm gonna make a review about Chocolatos stick. This is one of my favorite snack. I've ever taste because taste is sweet, and so it can make boost my mood. The packaging is so simple with dark color, same as the color inside. The shape of chocolatos is like a pipe with chocolate in it. Stop dulu, Kak. Okay, let's try it right now. Okay, the outside of chocolatos is crunchy, while the inside is soft. Yes, the chocolate is full. Okay, I think it is enough. It's my opinion about Chocolatos stick. Thank you for your attention and
Guys, I'm Ngalim. Today I'm gonna make a review about Batagor. Batagor is one of the most popular snake and one of the Sundanese snake. It's made from tapioca flour and tofu and usually ate with cucumber. Let's eat right now. This taste is salty and spicy with peanut sauce. Make this Batagor is very nice. You can buy Batagor only 4,000 rupiah, which is very cheap. And it is very easy to find in every canteen or pedestrian. I think it's enough. It's my opinion about Batagor. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Dimas. Today I'm gonna review about Nextar. Where's my Nextar? This is Nextar. Nextar is the most my favorite snack, and Nextar is modern snack. You can find it in canteen and many more. Let's try Nextar right now. The taste is very good, delicious, and sweet because it's chocolate. And the packaging is simple with dark chocolate and outside. And then Nextar is very cheap. You can buy it only 2,000 rupiah. Again. Surprisingly, the texture is soft. I think before I bite it, it's crunchy, but after I bite it, it's soft. Surprisingly soft, and it is so delicious. Yeah. Okay, guys. I think it's enough. Thank you for your attention. See you. Bye bye. So the conclusion of the review is
All our snack review is all delicious, cheap, and easy to find in every groceries or canteen.
okay. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.
bye bye. Dah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. Ini udah gue masukin, udah gue rekam.
Terus taruh dulu sebentar.
Taruh.
Terus
Semoga nggak
ambil
jatuh.
lagi, dilihat hasilnya.
Amat banget sih.
Oke.
1, 2, 3.
Itu.
1, 2, 3.
Bisa cuy. Lumayan sih. Yaudah sini aja. Yuk.
Mau ngomong apa udah?
Jatuh.